that has changed. Straight off the bat, this vehicle smacks you in the face because it has some absolutely epic acceleration. I mean, come on, just feel this. This is an old tired 110 Land Rover accelerating like a Ferrari. It's ridiculous. That shouldn't be possible. That should not be possible. Come on. I gotta be honest, immediately, the handling on this Land Rover is feeling really, really sharp. And that's down to two things. One, that air suspension we put on. Two, the tires. It's got low rolling resistance and it just feels really, really smooth, which is surprising with all those batteries. It feels very balanced and I've got performance. I've got performance in a 110 Land Rover. I never thought I'd experience the day. This thing is, it's epic, it is epic. It feels like I'm flying a spaceship, it really does. I feel like I could have a lot of control here. This feels like a vehicle that's gonna go places and put a massive smile on your face. Oh, this is a bad boy feeling Land Rover. I tell you what, I am seriously looking forward to getting this off-road because already on the road, it's handling incredibly. It's unlike any other Land Rover I have ever been in. Off-road, this could be something seriously special. This is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Okay, we've just got off-road, and for the first 100 meters, I've not said a word. Because this is a very different driving experience. And I don't mean the lumps and the bumps and the steering. I mean how you need to work with the throttle and the brake. Bear in mind, we're going up the side of a bit of a mountain right now. So this is going to take a little bit of getting used to. I think it's fair to say the BFGoodrich Landy off-road adventure has just begun. Now, one thing this has in absolute spades is torque. And when you're off-roading, that's exactly what you need. It's all about getting that traction down and driving forwards and up. And I could do that in my sleep with this. It is a power monster. I got 600 Newton meters of torque. This thing, I could probably spin this mountain inside out. This thing is wild. I've got all the power I'm ever gonna need. I've got to be honest, I was dubious about how well these tyres would cope with an off-road terrain because they are only a 30/70, which doesn't seem particularly aggressive. However, this hill is no joke. This is some serious terrain. I'm getting no wheel slip, I'm getting good grip, and they are driving this beast up this hill. This is a decent set of rubber. Feels like these would take me over pretty much any mountain. This is an off-road beast. We have created an off-road monster. This is savage. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll tell you what's lovely, this vehicle being an EV, here I am in the great outdoors amongst all this wildlife. There's horses up here. There isn't a loud, dirty diesel engine chugging away. I'm rolling pretty quietly. I mean, look at that sheep there. He's not even moving, he's just sat chilling, chewing his cud, and I'm getting to take it all in. All right, it's getting rough up here, and it's in terrain like this that the air suspension is really going to come into its own, because it gives me heaps of articulation, which means I keep good contact with the ground and that keeps me being able to drive forwards. We're slipping, but we're going. Oh, that is impressive. Definitely concentration face on then. That was a little bit cheeky. What a lot of fun. This thing really is built to go anywhere, and it's going good. I mean, it's hard to think. We started off with a tired, kind of early noughties looking, chromed, lackluster Defender. It's done its time. It was ready for a refresh. And what we've now got is something that is really completely reinvented what this vehicle can do. I'm running on electric power. I have an incredible motor, batteries, whole new operating systems. The way this thing works, feels, looks, it's just completely different. I'm gobsmacked. What an incredible, incredible vehicle to build. And when a vehicle like this gets you to a place like that, you know you've done something good. It'd be fair to say that when we started this project, this Landy was all a little bit lackluster. It was a lot of show, but not a lot of go. But then we undertook the work to completely nut and bolt rebuild it from the ground up, and that was no mean feat. We've completely reinvented it and electrified it, and that's got it ready for today. And I can honestly tell you, driving it is an incredible experience. And that leaves me in no doubt that this vehicle is ready for a whole new world of possibilities, and I can't wait to see them.